Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload images or scanned images of documents to Gemini. So to get started, as you can see here, I've already signed into Gemini. When you sign in, you should usually see this screen. This is the new chat screen. And what we're going to do is we're just going to click on the plus button at the left side of the prompt bar, and then go ahead and click on upload files. So I'm going to click on a picture right here. It's pretty simple, just a calculus exercise. So now I can write the prompt. Can you help me break the problems down and solve it? Now I'm just going to hit enter to send our prompt. And within a few seconds, as you can see, it's already prepared a response. So very quick, very easy. That's all you have to do when you want to attach photos or some other file to your prompts with Gemini. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.